Hi, I'm Himanshu. I work as a consultant. When we bought this house, we had in mind away from the hustle bustle of the city itself, but not too far away from our offices where commute should be easy. Young couples, what we are looking forward is to having our own kids and a private space and room of their own, and small kids like bright colors along with it. So we have very nice bubbly wallpapers. Parents wanted a little traditional in the way, that's why the wallpaper which they went a little traditional with a mix of rose color and the golden. It gives a very pleasing look to the overall room, which my parents liked it very much. Master bedroom being the biggest room in the house itself, we wanted to keep it very simple. So we have a very nice and bright wallpaper which is supplemented by backboard itself, which gives a good resting space for us. And the bed, we took it from Livspace itself. As we hit the COVID time, so spending most of our time here at home, and we wanted a quiet space. So what we did is we converted one of the rooms into a study cum lounge area where we have a good size table which is brightly lit, where we can work on the tables itself. And for the family itself, they can come, sit, enjoy time together with us in the evening. And it's nicely lit with a dark blue color which gives a very good tone, and the furniture inside the room. I'm a very avid food lover itself. Not being a very large kitchen, what we wanted was a more useful where we can have our utilities well placed. It does not obstruct our working itself. It's a parallel kitchen itself, and it's designed in a way where the things are kept at the counter itself. With again the use of roller shutter helped us a lot, where all our electronic appliances are kept. Overall, the kitchen gives us a very neat and clean aesthetic look. The pastel colors is very nice and soothing, which goes along with the color of a furniture and other built-in appliances as well. We wanted a personally vested designer itself who can guide us. Livspace really picked up the work where they had left off. They completed the work in time and to our utmost satisfaction. We were very well guided by the designers who are there, and they personally went along with us to various shops to help select different facets of our house, be it curtains, decorative items, furniture as well. And the entire implementation happened during the COVID time. We are very pleased to have got the interior design done from Livspace. So quite a happy experience for us.